Student, a very good morning to all. Today we are starting a new exercise. So in this exercise we will check the given equation it is a correct or not. So how can you check the given equation is correct form or not? So we will apply some method, then you can easily to find out the given equation it is a correct or not. So the first stage equation is that p plus 8 is less than equal to 7. So how can you check this equation it is a correct form or not? So according to the equation, if any equation have contain this type of angle, means your sign left less than, greater than, left angle, right angle, then we can say that this type of equation it is not a equation, because in this equation have contain that angular sign. So this is not a equation. Then the second question is that 8 multiply y equal to 2. So according to the equation, if any equation have contain any variable, so this is a variable of y and this equal to sign and this is a 2. So when we will solve this equation in this form, so 8 by equal to 2, and then after we will find out the value of y. So y equal to 2 and 8 will be placed on a cross multiply, and this 8 separate from the 2 by 8. So simple, we will write this equation. So 2 1 ja 2 and 2 4 ja 8. So this equation have contained the value of y equal to 1 by 4. So we can say that the given equation it is the correct form. Then after, the third question is that 17 minus 4 multiplied 2 equal to 7. So here this is not a equation, because the given equation have not contain any variable. So if any equation have not to contain the any variable like x, y, z, then we can say that the given equation it is not a perform form. So this equation it is not a equation. Then after, second question is that identify the variable in the following equation. So in this equation we will find out the and identify the variable. So here the first question is that first 3r plus 1 equal to 9. So first we will identify the variable. So here this is the variable. So r is the variable. Then after, so this is the identify. So which variable we are using here? So this is the r variable. Then after, if suppose that if you want to find out the value of r, then how can you find out the value of r? So here 3r equal to 9 and 1 transfer from the right hand side, because this is the number and this is the number. So number we will separate one side. So this is the 1 number, and what is the sign? So this is the positive value. So positive value, when we will convert the RHS side, then the given value it is a convert positive to negative and negative to positive. So this is a sign will be changes and value will be converted as a minus. So 3r equal to 8. Then after we will do the cross multiply and 3 will be separate from the right hand side by a cross multiply method. So r equal to 8 by 3. So this is the answer of variable of r, and this is a variable. So I have already identified the variable of r. Then after, the second question is that 17 minus p equal to 8. So which variable we are using here? So this is the p variable. So answer is only you have to write the p variable. And the third one question is 1 plus 4y equal to 9. So here this y variable. So answer is only y variable. So all question you can solve like this. Then after the question number 3, write the solution of the equation. So here we will find out the value of variable. So here the first question is that x plus 5 equal to 9. Question number 3, first x plus 5 equal to 9. So here first we will check the variable. So here this is the variable, and then after we will find out the value of this x variable. So how can you find out the value of x variable? So first we will shift from this number from the right hand side, number side, then after x equal to 9, and when we will shift this number, then the sign will be changed. So positive to negative. So what is the value of x? So 9 minus 5 equal to 4. So this is the value of x. So this is the answer. Then after the fourth question, so here this is the column first and this is the column second. So first we will solve this equation, and then after find the output of, find the value of particular variable. Then after simple we will cross and matching the table. So first question is that x plus 3y 1/2. Fourth, first question, x plus 3/1/2 equal to 5. So first we will solve this question, and then after find the value of x. So x plus, so first we will solve this mixed fraction value. So 2 3 is 6, 6 plus 1 7/2. So first we will do the multiply, and then after do the plus. So 3 2 is 6, 2 3 is 6, and 6 plus 1 equal to 7, and divide by 2 equal to 5. Then after we will shift this value from RHS side. So x equal to 5 minus 7/2, and then after we will take LCM 2. So 1 2 is 2 and 5 2 is 10 minus 7 equal to 3/2. So x equal to 3/2. So here this is the value of 3, and this is a greater from the denominator. So we will convert this value into a mixed fraction. So how can you convert? So simple, 2 and 3, then after 2 1 is 2, and remainder value we will write. So how can you write? So first we will write the quotient value. So x equal to 1, and then after remainder value 1, and this is the value 2. So this is the answer.